Hey, this is Morgan Weibel, account executive with Mixmax, and welcome to episode 19 of The Good, the Bad, and the Spammy. For anybody new, in this series, we analyze real cold emails that we've received. And on this week, we have a good one. This email was sent to a marketing persona, and it's very specific to that role. Let's dive in. So, as with any emails, there's going to be a couple opportunity areas. There's two with this one, in my opinion, pretty big, and one somewhat minor. The first one is going to be the subject line. Unfortunately, it reads pretty spammy. An inbound epidemic, stay alert. That's going to turn some people off. That's, in my opinion, going to lower your open rates a little bit. People will probably open it up to see what's going on, but you're probably likely to lose some people as well. This email is all about recorded demos versus interactive demos and how much better the interactive ones are. Use that in the subject line. Give a reason for the people that you're trying to get to open this email to do so. You don't have to always go flashy. Sometimes it works just to be to the point, recorded demo, question mark, or interactive demo, or, just something that would make the person that you want to open it up. Moving on from there, the opening line, in my opinion, doesn't hook us fast enough. You might know about Trust Radius, competitor G2. Their CEO recently talked about some interesting insights. That's cool. You might lose some people here too. With any cold email, with any cold outreach in general, you have to hook them early. And I don't know that this really hooks me right off the bat. It does do a great job immediately after that of following up with what they're talking about. But you might lose some people that don't have enough reason to read the CEO's post and that screenshot immediately below. But for those that do, those that stick around, it's a solid post. It definitely explains what they're talking about here. And if you didn't read that full post, they have the TLDR right below that with the two stats that are the most important. One, interactive demos increase the average time spent up to 40 minutes instead of 45 seconds. It's a massive difference. That would pique my interest. Two, interactive demos have 3x the engagement than video demos. Again, massive stats. The best part of this email, though, is definitely the call to action. Do you want to see it for yourself? Leave it on the prospect. Leave it on the party that you're trying to get to interact with you on some level. A lot of people, when they're trying to book a meeting or they're trying to get you to download something or start a trial, they're going to ask for that. They're going to have calendar availability. They're going to have a calendar link. They're going to have, all these asks right there. The best way, especially in an opening email in your cold email series, is going to be leaving it on them. Do you want to see this? Are you interested, more or less? And I think they did a great job here on that. So overall, again, good email, good addition in our lineup. It got the person that they wanted to open it, and it was relevant. So that's what we got, and appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you out there.